How to log out of WhatsApp web from your mobile. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to log out of WhatsApp web from your mobile, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into the WhatsApp app on our mobile phone. Perfect. Now when you're on your WhatsApp app, then what you need to do is to click where it says settings, and that is in the bottom right corner. So click there. Perfectly. Then you will be taken to this page right here. As you can see, what we need to do now is to click where it says linked devices. Perfectly. In here you will be able to see all of your linked devices that you have on your WhatsApp account, and you can see that it says Google Chrome, Mac OS. That is basically my computer, so I'm going to click here, and then you can click where it says log out, and then once again click where it says log out. And now I'm just going to logging out. As you can see, perfectly, as you can see now it just logged me out of my WhatsApp web basically. So this is exactly how to do so. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.